XRP, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if you refer to our analysis, when the price was here, we mentioned we're looking for the correction to look for buy, but I mentioned any buy will be short-term buy because we mentioned what we have here, we're expecting to get the correction. This is what we're expecting. But after we get this down move, I didn't have any update for that. Okay, this is what we're expecting and we get. Now the question is whether this is the only correction in relative to this. If yes, as we can see, the price broke this low. Okay, can we say this is the last move and we can expect for the buy, or we can expect the bigger correction? All right, now, and as we can see, we were even when the price was at this range, I have put these two line. I mentioned the price can come to take any of this. The first one, I mean, where we expect for the correction, the first and second time. So now we have a correction. Okay, now if we move to a forward chart, first of all, when the price was within this range, I mentioned we're looking for the bigger correction before we get the next up move. All right. Now the question is how deep this one can go. This is the only correction, or it can be deeper. Okay. And one thing, how about if we consider this one as a correction in relative to the sharp move? Okay. If this is the one in relative to the this, including this correction, the price should retest this low. But from what we can see here, the way it's moving, I think from this move doesn't give us a down move. That's mean we cannot expect for the even this one can be deeper, but the possibility to retest this one is very low. Okay, because here we have a really sharp. This one is a corrective. Now the question is whether this is the internal correction. Okay, if this one here, can we put this one together in relative to each other? In terms of the time and length is not match. Okay, now the thing is what we're looking for. The only thing is we look at this correction because we want to confirm how deep this one can go and how we can trade it before we get the next up move. Okay, because when the price was here, I mentioned if we get this correction, we put it in relative to this, we can expect one move up to break this top. Then may from this we get the sharp move. May we get, maybe not. Even I may consider that based on the news, everything we have, we need to be quite careful about trading. All right. Anyway, we want to see how we can trade it. If I move to 1 hour chart. Okay. From now, the first way we can look at this one, this is a 1 2 3 correction relative to this, and if this is the last move, what we can expect the price for the reversal. Okay, that means still we can expect the price here can correct a bit more for one more drop, or even from here continue. It depends. Now we want to see how we can trade, and another option is that maybe this is not the only correction. We can expect the bigger correction. That means we have this move, we get this down move, we can expect the price to retest this top, we get the flat for one move down. Okay, this is may we get. All right, that's why any buy from here when the price come to this level, we need to start to manage it. If it is moving, we keep it. If it is correcting, we take over the trade. Now we want to see how we can trade this one. First of all, if this one to continue similar to what I drew here, corrective, we cannot get any buy setup within this range. And when the price come here, we will look at this for next move down. Or the only times you can buy here if it get the correction as a buy setup. Then any buy we take it when the price come to this level. We need to see if it's moving sharp, we keep. If not, when the price come here start to correct, we take out the trade. Okay, now, but right now from what we have here, we don't have any confirmation whether we can. This one is a buy setup or is a correction for the price to drop one more. All right. Now, if I move to 15 minutes, okay, what I want to say here. First of all, if this one start to correct similar to what I draw here, then any buy from here we will take it. Or from what we can see, if we get the flat, okay, if we get the buy setup, we take it. But if this one start to correct similar to what I draw here, we can expect one more down. Why? Maybe here it give us a flat, we get the buy, but when the price move, it doesn't move really fast. It's move in terms of the corrective. Then if even you get the any buy setup, we should take out the buy. Okay, now we don't have any confirmation whether this is the we can get the buy from here or this is another correction for one move down. Okay, as I explained, we just follow the chart, we see what we get here. If we get the correction for buy, we take it. When the price comes here, reach to this level, we start to manage. But if we see it's not giving us any buy setup and or in moving similar to what I draw here, we just let it go. We don't trade it. Okay. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or any trade setup, then I will share. Okay, and at least we should aware that maybe we get a bigger correction for one more drop. Any trade set, any if anyone wants to look for buy, at least we should get the buy setup. Okay. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, then or any changes, then I will share. Thanks.